Taurus, the period is from April 20th to May 20th, although again it varies year to year. The mode is fixed, the element is Earth, and the ruling planet is Venus. Taurus people are most compatible with Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, or Pisces, and least compatible with Aquarius, Leo, Libra, and Sagittarius, and the opposite sign of Taurus is Scorpio. Taurians revel in the pleasures of life. They crave the security and comfort of relaxing in the warmth of their home environment. They value the senses and the enjoyment of material things. Taurians work hard, and they make their home an attractive one. They also have the makings of a healer with a large capacity for kindness. Although they are quiet on the surface, in some cases almost passive, Taurians possess a powerful will and can be quite stubborn at times, perhaps somewhat rigid in their thinking. Taurians also tend to be loving, obedient, and loyal. Material rewards come easily to them, and they are able to lead the good life without being excessively concerned about it. Taurians are practical, provide a productive and stabilizing influence for themselves and for those around them.